When building an online business, most people assume that all you have to do is build your business and magically people will want to buy it or use it. When in reality, building that business is just the first step. The most important part of an online business is the marketing. That's showing the product or the service that you are promoting and convincing people that they want to buy or use it. To do this with online businesses, the number one tool that you have is social media. And most people don't know how to use it correctly. In this training series, we're going to look at our social media content strategy and break it down for you so you can use it to generate thousands of leads monthly and continue to do it for your online business. But first, my name's David Barnett, and this is my lovely wife, Brandy. We own DMB for Freedom, and we teach people affiliate marketing and how to build their own online businesses. So you've landed in the middle of a series that'll teach you affiliate marketing step by step. If you're looking to start an affiliate marketing business, you've landed in the right place. You currently landed on video number 8 in our high-ticket affiliate marketing made easy series. You are more than welcome to stick around. You'll get a lot out of this content, but I do highly recommend going back to video number 1 if you do plan or are following along with us in this series. So go ahead and head back to video number 1 to find that. There will be a link down in the description. Here in a moment, we're going to switch over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how to get there. But first, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that bell notification icon. And if you have gotten anything out of this series, go ahead and smash that like button for us. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and switch over to my YouTube screen here. So here is my channel. You'll see my banner at the top. This is DMB for Freedom. And these are my playlists here, which are basically training series. This is the high-ticket affiliate marketing made easy, free step-by-step training. And these are all in sequential order. So here is video number 1. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. We'll pause the video, and right below the video, you'll see a little slim box here, grayed out. Just click more, it'll expand it out. This is our description. So starting from the top here, we do have timestamps. We've got our introduction. Of course, if you want to skip the introduction, especially those of you who have been following along, you can go ahead and click on this timestamp where the training begins with John. I'll explain here in a minute, if you're new to this series, who John is. Down below, this is where you get started. Get started here with HBA. That's the Home Business Academy. That is our number one product that we use in this series to promote our online business. The link here, just click on that. It's $25 to get started. Definitely well worth it. It provides a funnel building program that you can build your website or landing page with to get started in this series. We do give you a step-by-step on that as well. So go ahead and read through everything in the description here. Click on the link to get started, and we will continue in this series with our step-by-step, basically copy and paste method of training you to build your brand new online business in affiliate marketing. So John is a high-ticket affiliate marketer with HBA, the Home Business Academy. He is a six-figure earner, has been for the last at least 5 years, and he's been kind enough to assist us with our training in this series and help us along with his skills and knowledge to go ahead and pass on to you so you can benefit and learn step by step from what he's already achieved many times over. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and switch over to John's screen right now. Like I said before, go ahead and hit the like button if you get anything out of this series. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. And like we like to say at the end of each and every video, happy marketing. We'll see you next time.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining me, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave me a like on it. So what I do is actually I train people online how to start doing affiliate marketing, and I do this for free on YouTube. That's where you guys have actually landed today, is on a series that we're going through. And right here you can see what I'm making with this currently. I'm actually just going to refresh this for you to so that you can see the program itself is called HBA. This is my last 2 weeks. So let's go to the last 30 days. You can see that I'm at just over $31,000 in the last 30 days. So I know what I'm talking about. And what we're doing in this series is just doing step-by-step trainings that you can follow along with every single day. It takes 15 minutes per day. And all you have to do to get started is go down to the video description underneath this video. And you can click the very top link that says click here to get started. There are a couple things that we're using. So you guys being in the middle of the series right now, what I suggest you do is actually go back to the very beginning of this series, and I'll include a link to the very beginning of this playlist, so you guys can get set up, get started, and then you guys have the ability to just follow along day by day. But we're having great results with this. I've been doing this a long time. A lot of the people that are using this right now are just seeing awesome results. This is a long-term game. We're going to be doing this for 15 minutes a day, every day. We're going to try to hit some high numbers like this over the next 6 months. If you look right here, let me just show you what I'm talking about. If I go right here and I go to July, it was what I showed you when you guys first logged on here. We'll just do July 1st till today, which is January 6th. If we do that, you can see that I started this on July 3rd, and you can see how it slowly starts to ramp up. And then you can see how it's getting thicker and thicker as we move along here, slowly starting to climb. That's going to be the same progression that you see. You're going to see it kind of be slow over the first month or two, but then it's really going to start kicking into gear, and you should have some really nice results. This is only 6 months, right? So I've been using this for 6 months, and you guys have a really great shot. If you just stick with this and you're committed, you can start making this exact same income using the exact same methods that we're using in this training. That being said, again, if this is your first time joining us on this series, you're going to want to go to the very beginning of the series. You can find it on my playlist tab, or you can just go click the link in the video description. That'll take you to the very beginning of the series. We're going to jump into today's training. So, as you guys know, we are using MLGS. I know in this series that we've already spoke about a couple different methods. Mainly it's MLGS is our daily method. We also went over traffic authority in one of the earlier videos, so I hope you guys are taking advantage of that. But if not, MLGS is still going to be what we're focusing all of our attention on daily, and that's what we're going to jump into today. I'm just going to start the daily email for you. What I've done for you guys, which is going to be a little bit different going forward here, is I'm creating the emails for you. This way you guys can jump in. You don't have to watch me build them out anymore. I showed you in the first few videos how to build out emails, but I'm going and doing this for you now, so that I don't have to waste too much more of your time. I noticed some of the videos were getting longer than I wanted them to be, so I want to keep this short and sweet for you guys so that you can follow along with it easily, right? So I went and created this email for you. If you have any questions about this, you can always reach out, but these are going to work really well for you. These are good emails. I've gone through them all myself. There's a couple things that you may see I need to add still on this one. Like, for example, I would like to personalize this one. We can do that now. So I would just go, hey, we'll go sign into one of our accounts. Doesn't matter which one. We're going to go to the mailing system. This is on MLGS, right? Select all your leads, scroll down here a little bit, and you'll see our code that we can use for personalization. We're going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that right here. So if you guys are looking for that code, remember that it's just on the mailing system here in MLGS. Then you can scroll down, and it's this one right here that says first name. I use the first name code. Some people use the full name, but I prefer the first name. I see better results with that. Now what we're going to do is I'm just gonna leave this here for a second so you guys can pause the screen and write that down. You guys can write it down. I'll even read it right now while we're sitting here, It says subject is it's now or never. The body says, hey, first name. Oh, I'm going to change that too. I don't know why I put that. Want a state of state of the art blueprint for 3K per month autopilot biz. Let's change that. See, it's a good thing we read through these because even I make mistakes sometimes. So, want a state of the art blueprint for a 3K per month autopilot biz. Click here to see my blueprint. That's where we're going to add our links right away here. This is equally important if you are a newbie or not. Works in any part of the world. You don't need any tech or IT background. I bet you haven't seen this trick to multiply your profits yet. Let me know what you think and ping me when your profits hit 3,000. Get your 3K per month autopilot biz here. Good luck. So just a couple things to keep in mind here. Make sure when you're sending these emails that you add your name. That's very important that you have your name. Also, you don't want to forget to add your links. Okay, so we're going to do that now. We're going to go over to our dashboard. You guys should all have this dashboard from the previous videos. If you haven't got to this portion yet, if you don't have this dashboard, you need to go back to the beginning of the series and follow along so you learn how to get this dashboard. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back over to our email. And you guys can, if you want, you guys can just copy this directly onto the body of the mailing system here. But what I like to use, of course, is a Google document. That way it's easy for me to save this for later. It's also easy for me to manipulate and to do things with. So I suggest just creating a Google document. I've said this before, but it's just docs.google.com. You can create your own document. Then you can save all the emails that we're writing. Okay, so let's just add our link here. We're going to add it right here where it says click here to see my blueprint. We're going to right click after we highlight it, insert link, and we're going to paste our link right there. This is very important that you guys paste the links in your emails, because if you're not pasting in your link, nobody has anywhere to click. So there you go. We've added both of our links. Now we can just go ahead and copy the body of this email. We're going to go back to the mailing system. We're going to clear out this portion here. We're going to hold down Control and press V. We've added it to the mailing system. Now let's go back over here and grab our subject. Oh, don't want to select all of it, just part of it, right? Let's copy that. Go back over to the mailing system. We're going to insert our subject here. Now let's just scroll up to the top to make sure we have everything, all of our bases checked, right? So we have added our leads, we've added our subject, we've added the body of our email. We're going to click on perfect timing, then we're just going to go ahead and send that email. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the top, we're going to right click, we're going to hit duplicate. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to go over here to the account. We're going to log out. We're going to log into our second account. Hopefully you guys are using 5 different accounts for this, but if not, it's not a big deal. I suggest at least 2. It works really, really well with 5. I have somebody using 10 right now, and I have a few people actually using 10, and they are just smashing it. They're actually doing better than I was doing where they are now. So let's go back over here to the first mailing system. We're just going to go copy our subject line from it. We're going to go back over here to the one we just opened. We're going to paste that in. Now, if you guys have a hard time duplicating or don't understand what that is, all you have to do is just log out and log into your second one. Just make sure that you have that email saved somewhere so that you can just easily copy and paste and you don't have to copy it again from this video. We're going to go back over to this one again and grab the body of the email. Copy that. We're going to go back over here. Hold down Control, press V, it's pasted in, it's ready to go. Check from the top, we've added our leads, we got our subject in, we have our email in, our links are in our email. Now again, you guys already know this, but I'm going to tell you again, it's easy if you guys if you want to put the email in here and then add your links, you can do that with this button right up here. I've shown you that before, but it's up to you how you do it. I prefer doing it the way that I'm showing you with Google Documents. So right down here is the perfect timing button. you can't really see it with that. Let me just turn that off. There you go. So you guys can see the perfect timing button. Always click that. That's going to send it out at the best time. Then we're just going to click on send email. There we go. Okay, and you guys just carry on with that for the rest of your mailing systems. You know, we're at what, day 8 here in our series. You guys will see. I'm going to continue this series for this year, for this whole year, and you guys are going to see an amazing result here in coming up shortly. I mean, within the next couple months here, if you guys just stick with this, I think you're going to see the value in what we're doing here, because this is, you know, this is the method that I'm using currently. I have a ton of people that are also using this, and they're seeing a ton of results. You can see my results here. But that being said, thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to jump off here today because I don't want to make this too much longer. I'm going to try to keep these videos around 10 minutes max. So I'm going to end this video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. But before I go, make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you're notified when the next video comes available. And also leave me a like on this video if you enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Talk to you guys later.